Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna paint this thing. So from this part here, going this way, at the back here, we're gonna paint gray. So as you can see here, I'm gonna paint this gray here. This is how we're gonna paint it. The reason why we go with this gray paint, especially at the back, is number one, here the concrete, when it drips from when they're loading or when it drips, it gets easily fall on this. So we're gonna go with the gray. And the reason why we're gonna paint it with the brush, number two, is the brush gives it a little bit of thickness, a good thickness. So we want that thickness to be on. Lesson for today: every time when you are painting the metal, careful that you see you do this and it cries like this. You don't want it to cry like that. So when you are painting, especially on the metal object, what you do is you make sure you spread the paint. Don't worry even if it leaves the marks like this. It leaves the marks like this. So this one is enamel based paint. So you can see now those lines that we were seeing, was I spread it now enough for it not to cry. I like to call it cry. You can call it either way, the way you want it, but you can see now there it is. You paint it nicely. So when you are taking it from the container, you do half brush, then you do like this. Then all the paint that is outside, you can see there's nothing here, and it's not dripping down. Then when you go paint using the inside parts, and as you can see, it'll be nice and neat. You see, nice and neat. This is what you want, and when it settles there, you'll see it'll be nice. So yeah, enjoy the process.